Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback, like we talked about. Before we jump into this Bitcoin analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits, I want to remind you, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in just 2 days. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel. Thousands of people watch these videos every day. They don't even subscribe. This is free money. Bitcoin, free Bitcoin, $500. Leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to pick a random comment over a 7-day period and like the video. Yesterday, we talked about how the funding rate was pretty high. Everybody was long. And so what happens is the market will reset. You get these pullbacks. However, I wouldn't be surprised to see another pullback of sorts. Again, once everybody gets long, the market will reset. So the idea I want to share with you is after this, measured move breakout down here, the price action bounced to the support level. So what could happen is if there's another move down here, you want to see some kind of double bottom reversal pattern. If this level doesn't hold, then potentially next support level down would be something to watch for Bitcoin. This idea here, same Bitcoin 1 hour chart. However, this inverse head and shoulders idea we talked about is still in play. This has not been a very deep retrace. It's only a 0.382 fib level pullback. Okay, so common retrace is right here at 0.5. So if you do get a deeper retrace, again, this inverse head and shoulders would be a bullish reversal pattern as far as, breakout move to the upside. We break 60,000, then you're looking at about 62,000. 62,000 breaks, we're looking at about $70,000 Bitcoin as the target. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I crossed $510,000 today. I'm in shock. I've made $300,000 since I joined 2 months ago. In 2 months, he made $300,000. Life-changing money, period. He talks about how he's in a car wreck. He couldn't walk for 6 months. He's been going through a lot of tough stuff. And now, he's got this income from trading and he looks to retire soon. Life-changing money, period. I want you guys to remember, these are brand new traders. They have never traded before. This person made $300,000 in 2 months. Never traded before. This person hit me up, couldn't believe how successful he's been in the trading group. You can see over the last month, he's up 21,896 euros, 2.65x his portfolio. In 7 days, he was up 141%. This person, bro, I was down for a while until I joined your group. I made over $6,000. Today, I'm back up. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes right now, today. This altcoin season will be the biggest altcoin season since 2017. Life-changing money is about to happen. You do not want to look back on this time period and say, man, I should have learned a little bit more. I should have been in the best coins. I should have been in the right coins. Bottom line is this. Check out my trading group. I will make sure you're in the best, most profitable coins for the entire bull market. I can show you how to trade these setups, set stop losses, take profits, everything you need to know to be successful trading this market. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. This is Tron, TRX. TRX broke about a 3-year downtrend. Like these coins that have done absolutely nothing will have the most upside now, right? Because it's been this multi-year consolidation. So TRX, I gave you guys this setup on March the 30th. 30,684 people saw this. Shout out to 96,100 subscribers. Huge. Hit that subscribe button. $500 Bitcoin giveaway. Let's go. Now, Tron gave it to you a few days ago. Up 75% in 5 days. Huge. Altcoin season, this is going to be a commonality. Like you're going to see these coins, it just gets ridiculous. You won't even believe it, right? This is kind of just altcoin season just starting, right? A lot of times the larger caps will move first, and then money flows down into the mid caps and then the smaller caps. So just depends on what Bitcoin's doing. This is BitTorrent token, BTT. I gave you guys this on the 26th. 23,000 people saw this video. This person in my trading group, he said, last week in your announcements group, watch BTT, you said. I immediately went in on the trade. I've been watching this trade all the time. I haven't sold any of my position. BTT, buy the breakout of the bull pennant, gave this one to you guys as well, up 120% in 8 days. A lot of times during altcoin season, midterm holders will make a lot more money than traders. I mean, if you look at how many pullbacks you got out of this, like potentially people are taking profit too early. So be mindful that you always want to leave some of the, if let's say you start taking profits, leave something your position open in case you get these parabolic price rises, which are going to be very common right now. Okay, so you trade this market, you have to adjust your trading strategy and style to what the market is giving us. Okay, so you'll see more and more of this going forward. So again, just to touch on this, whenever you have a rising wedge that breaks higher, parabolic move to the upside. Huge. I mean, there may be more upside out of BTT and TRX, quite a bit more. It's hard to get in these coins once they start pumping like this. However, you can go through and you can find all these little patterns, right, on the smaller time frames or lower term time frames as well. And that's how you get into these coins that have taken off and exploded. Then you have to remember all the noobs in crypto, they're paying attention to Binance. Like they're looking at the top coins on whatever exchange they're on, right? And what are they going to buy? They're going to buy the greenest coins, right? They're FOMOing in to these run-ups, right? So news can bring attention to these coins. The coins that are pumping crazy will bring a ton of attention to these projects. And then strong technical patterns bring the traders' attention to these projects. So just remember, like when these coins are pumping crazy, you can't just necessarily give up on them. You can look for entry because the herd will continue to buy these coins FOMO in. You just have to know that at some point taking profits. I mean, you get 120, 200% run up, you're going to get a big retrace, right? I mean, potentially altcoin season, you'll get good bounces, but just remember that idea. Bella, which we've got amazing setup on Bella. I've given to you guys a couple times. They've got an eco fund, NFT, and an incubator. They've also updated their roadmap. So huge news for Bella. Bella's been super strong, even with Bitcoin's pullback. Polymath came out with a new Polymesh wallet. It's your gateway to the Polymesh testnet through your Google Chrome browser. So it's been adopted by 4,000 users. Fetch AI, Mainnet 2.0 is now live. Huge news, right? Well, if you're new in crypto, you're probably thinking, man, Mainnet 2.0 is now live. Let me buy it. I got to get in on this. Look, FET, it dumped after the launch 30% almost. Okay. So remember, it's buy the rumor, buy the hype, sell the event, right? Normally you get a sell-off prior to the actual testnet launch, mainnet, even airdrops. People are going to get free coins. Like you make more in the run-up than you do that the coins are worth, okay? But the herd doesn't realize that. They don't understand how this works. So all you're trying to do is increase and improve your skill set. You want to be better than most people trading this market, which is not difficult to do. Just taking profits alone, on huge pumps. Otherwise, you ever notice your portfolio? I mean, all these coins are pumping crazy, but your portfolio seems kind of stagnant because if you don't take profits and then switch, you just have to kind of pivot from one alt to the next. It's how I do it anyway. It works good for me. But now FET has a nice falling wedge, 68% chance this breaks to the upside. Might just run up here to this resistance level. VITE BTC, I posted this in group about 2 hours ago. Said a lot of upside here for altcoin season. Pay attention with a bell on it. With a bell on it, because you got this huge rounded bottom, like it just did nothing for an extended period of time, right? You got this handle, which is an ascending triangle. Guess what happened? Anybody? Breakout. Ran from like 318 Satoshis up to about 392 in minutes as soon as I posted that. So nailed some good profits out of this. Now, for you guys, sometimes the best entry isn't the actual breakout. You're number one, you're waiting for the candle to close. You don't want to FOMO into the top of the green candles. So essentially, like if you get some type of pullback here and then retest, like the strongest group of buyers is right there waiting on this retest, just like we're talking about it right now. Everybody trades on this idea, right? Everybody's sitting right here just waiting for the opportunity. If this thing pulls back, VITE's got a ton of upside this altcoin season, so pay attention to VITE. Real quick, let's go back. Bitcoin dominance. And so Bitcoin dominance broke to the downside. Altcoin season. Be mindful, like Bitcoin still is the puppet master and makes or breaks these altcoins. However, altcoins will perform really well when Bitcoin's not making a bunch of price movements, right? So when Bitcoin stabilizes, you'll understand and see that the market participants will start buying altcoins again based on this idea. So it's just important that this continues lower. Now, there are some bounce ideas here. And then when this bounces, not amazing for the altcoins. Okay. But I mean, you want to bounce and then a rollover, a continuation of the downside. Happens all the time. This altcoin season could possibly be the biggest altcoin season since 2017. You do not, listen, you need to consider loading up on altcoins right now. I got a Litecoin set up for you. You know, Litecoin's got some upside. I mean, you get 100% gains out of Litecoin, that would be epic. But you can get 200, 300, 400% gains out of some of these small caps. So make sure you're on the right exchanges. If you don't have a Binance account, there's a link in the description. Supports the channel. There's PureVPN as well. If you're in the United States, you need to use that. Another option is Kucoin. Again, link in the description. Supports the channel. The ton of these small caps are available. And again, that's where the multiples that you're looking for, 5x, 7x, 10x, 20x, that come from the small caps. They move the fastest. Why? Because it takes a lot less money to move them. I mean, is XRP going to 10x? I mean, possibly over time. It's going to take a while. Billions of dollars need to flow in XRP for that to happen. You could take $10, $15 million and 10x some of these small cap altcoins, right? And so it doesn't take as much to move them. This is FIO. FIO, you got this beautiful rounded bottoms, pay the bills, baby. Here we go. Look, see this volume spike? You need volume. Let volume be your guide, right? Let volume be your guide here. So you got the volume confirmation of this breakout. Now you're looking for a retest and continuation to the upside. There's a lot of upside here out of FIO. This is COSS. Again, another small cap project. This is, I mean, right now it's a 70 Satoshi coin. Like these things can go parabolic pretty quick. Doesn't take much to move them. So again, COSS, buy the breakout of this falling wedge or bull pennant. NULS. NULS has got some upside, long-term upside as well. So NULS, watch for the retest. I mean, remember how we talked about what BitTorrent token did? It broke to the upside. This is a bearish pattern. It broke higher. It broke higher. 32% chance this happens. You get parabolic run-ups based on this idea. So here's NULS. Got some volume coming in. Volume confirmation, right? Broke out of this pattern. Now you're just waiting for the retest, right? You're just waiting for confirmation of the retest and continuation to the upside. And here's your targets. Potentially, you could see a lot more upside than these targets marked for NULS. STRAX, STRAX. This is STRAX USDT. You got this huge rounded parabolic price rise, strong rejection, move to the downside. Then here the price action is again, all the sellers are stacked right here, seller, seller, seller. So once this initial group of sell orders gets run through, I mean, you've got some amazing upside for STRAX. Litecoin. This has been, I mean, Litecoin's ran up from like $45 to now it's at like 200. So, I mean, it's up considerably. However, a lot of these altcoins have outperformed Litecoin. So Litecoin is in this giant bull pennant. There's some good upside. I mean, we could see, you know, $300, $400 Litecoin just based on this technical pattern, right? It's going to take more time. Litecoin's a larger cap coin, right? So you want to be diversified, have some larger caps, have some mid caps, have some small caps. You want to take some, you know, some risks on some of these newer projects, do so. But you know, smaller amounts. Only you understand and know your risk tolerance. Be mindful that you have to have a risk profile that suits you on a financial level. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.